Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. আজি আমি ক্লাস 9 social science economics part chapter 2 basic economic problem সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ MCQ লৈছো। তো ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছো যে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। তো কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1 আছিলে statement 1 দি আছে the minimum calorie consumption in rural area should be 2700 calorie। এটো ভুল দি আছে। Statement 2 দি আছে the minimum calorie consumption in urban area should be 2100 calorie। এটো শুদ্ধ দি আছে। Next question, assertion reason di ase. Assertion di ase the base of the Indian economy was weakened during the British rule. Assertion শুদ্ধ di ase. Reason di ase Indian resources were taken abroad by the British. Reason শুদ্ধ di ase and it is the correct explanation. Next, question number 3 di ase. Statement 1 di ase the most populated district of Assam is Kamrup Metro. এটো ভুল দি আছে। Statement 2 দি আছে Morigaon is the least densely populated district. এটো ভুল দি আছে। Next, question number 4, assertion reason di আছে। Assertion di আছে unemployment is a burning problem in today's society. Assertion di আছে শুদ্ধ। Reason di আছে the gap between the rate of growth of national income and the rate of employment is increasing lead to a situation of jobless growth. Reason to শুদ্ধ দি আছে and it is a correct explanation. Next, inflation is an এটো কি হয় economic problem. Next question, increase in export of India help in earning. Answer about foreign exchange. Next question, inflation lead to. Answer about economic inequality. The number of unemployment per 1,000 person in Assam is 41. The new economic policy has been introduced in কোন চনত 1991. The main sector of India economy is answer গল কিনো agriculture sector. এই ভিডিওত এইটা কোৱেশ্চন আছিলে। নেক্সট ভিডিওত নেক্সট চেপ্টাৰৰ MCQ আনিম। ভিডিওবোৰ চাই দিব। ভিডিও চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। ধন্যবাদ।